5 silent signs someone is secretly devaluing you, and you might not even realize it's happening. That nagging sensation that someone important in your life is treating you differently, but they're so subtle about it. Friends, write in the comments where you're watching us from, and hit that like button if you want to discover the most unexpected truth. For months, every conversation somehow ended with Sarah feeling smaller, less important, almost invisible in her own friendship. But Sarah didn't realize she was experiencing the first deadly sign: the conversation hijack technique. Here's how it works. You start sharing something meaningful, something that matters deeply to you personally. But instead of listening, acknowledging, or showing genuine interest in your experience, they immediately shift focus. Here's where it gets really dark. They're not just dismissing your wins, they're rewriting history itself. The 4th sign is selective memory syndrome. They conveniently forget your contributions while remembering every mistake vividly. But that joke you made 3 years ago that fell flat, they remember every uncomfortable detail perfectly. Plans happen around you, not with you. Decisions get made about your shared spaces without your input whatsoever. When someone consistently devalues you, your body enters a chronic state of hypervigilance and self-doubt. Confrontation works when the person genuinely cares about you, but lacks self-awareness about their destructive behavior patterns. Boundaries work when they respect your limits, but need clear guidelines about what's acceptable treatment. These recognition skills will transform every relationship in your life, protecting you from future manipulation attempts.